So today is the 12th of September and we are back here in our side yard. We are going to show you some of our dragon fruit varieties that were cross-pollinated with other varieties. And we're going to compare how the fruits are growing in terms of their size. So this is a golden yellow that bloomed last August 16, and this was cross-pollinated with the Philippine white pollen. So notice how big this fruit is. It's so big. And the fruit is getting mature, so you see that it is starting to change its color. And down here we have another golden yellow fruit, and this bloomed last August 16 as well, and was cross-pollinated with sugar dragon pollen. So notice how small the fruit is. Sugar dragon variety has small fruits, and this golden yellow fruit is just as small as sugar dragon. And this is a sugar dragon fruit that was the source of the pollen. You can see how small the fruit is. And that is another sugar dragon right there that is almost ready. So with golden yellow, the fruit size depends on the pollen that you crossed it with. If your pollen is dominant and genetically strong and from a variety that grows big fruits, then you will get a big golden yellow fruit. So let's take a look at another variety over here. This is Haley's Comet, and that was cross-pollinated with Lake Atitlan pollen, and this bloomed last August 19. So notice that the fruit is growing big. And we have another Haley's Comet up here, and this bloomed August 21, just 2 days after that one on the bottom. And this was cross-pollinated with sugar dragon pollen, and so notice that the fruit is growing small. And so Haley's Comet typically grows big fruits, but if you use a sugar dragon pollen, you will get a small fruit. And that's the same thing with the golden yellow that we showed earlier. So now let's take a look at these two sugar dragons here. One of this was cross-pollinated with Haley's Comet pollen, and the other was self-pollinated. So notice that there is not much difference in terms of their size. Sugar dragon is a self-fertile variety that grows small fruits regardless of whether you use its own pollen to pollinate or you cross-pollinate it with other varieties. The fruit is always small with sugar dragon, but although the fruits are small, the fruits taste very sweet, and it is one of those that gives you buds at the beginning of the season and throughout the season. So alright folks, that concludes our video for today, and please comment if you have questions or inputs to share, and thank you for watching.